Hi, my name is Alan Goes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a freehand line art stencil. To make a freehand line art stencil, you need a tattoo design, stencil paper, scotch tape, and a properly sharpened 3H pencil. Let us begin with the stencil. In this video, I'm going to use a thermal stencil paper and a 3H pencil. Before you place your artwork on the stencil paper, discard the semi-transparent yellow sheet. Cut your artwork properly by maintaining proper margins around it. Place your artwork on the top side of the stencil paper, which is a semi-transparent white sheet. I recommend wearing gloves while stenciling as it prevents cross-contamination. Use the scotch tape to stick your artwork on the stencil paper. It is very important to make sure your artwork doesn't move throughout the stencil process. Once this is done, we are now ready to trace the stencil. Line art stencil is made up of lines and dashes. Lines signify the outline or the contour of the artwork in high contrast areas, whereas dashes signify the shades or gradients. For example, I am stenciling a rose. So in this case, the outline will signify the shape of the rose. Line art stencil gives you an advantage to better understand your artwork before the tattoo, as you have to go through each part while stenciling. I recommend this stencil method to all beginner tattoo artists. Don't forget to stop and check your stencil. Make sure that it is dark enough so that it transfers on the skin dark and clean. Don't push too hard, as dark stencils tend to smudge on the skin immediately after application.